How to fix Roblox Error Code 268 kick due to unexpected client behavior error? For this first step, we need to search for run and type the following text percentage local app data percentage. In this, you need to scroll down and click Roblox folder, click local storage folder, delete the files inside the local storage, come back, click log folder, delete the files and folders inside the log folder, come back. Once complete after, close it and come to next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it, click Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall on the left hand side and click Change Settings, scroll down and check for Roblox and make sure you should enable in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the option is of not having means you can browse it. For easy method, come outside, right click, click open file location, copy the address, come back and paste the address in the top side. You can easily get the application. Scroll down, click it and click add. I already have, so I skip it. You need to add and make sure you should enable in both private and public and click OK in the bottom side and close it. And next step, search for CMD, right click, click run as administrative and type the following text ipconfig space slash flash DNS, click enter, ipconfig space slash release, click enter, ipconfig space slash renew, click enter, netsh space winsock space reset, click enter, netsh space int space ip space reset, click enter. Once complete after, exit it. Close the command prompt and come to next step. Search for run and type the following text percentage local app data percentage and click enter. In this, we need to delete the Roblox folder. Delete it. Once delete after, you need to come back, go to the browser, go to the official website of Roblox, download and install the latest version. Thank you.